Hello Backyarders, my name is Jeff with Perfect Hue Cooking Channel. Today we are going to make jalapeno bacon wrapped chicken thighs. So if you buy them this way, just go ahead and get that skin off of there. And then I just trim, it's not, trim off what you don't think you're gonna eat. I'm almost doing it similar to if I'm doing a competition on the next thing here, and then just gonna be very careful, make sure you have a sharp knife. Getting that bone out of there. Get under it the best you can. Alrighty guys, so now we're going to tenderize the chicken. We're just going to do one thigh, and then in the next clip you'll see the next step. Just pound it out. And I'm going to go ahead and use Saints and Sinners chicken seasoning today. We got enough heat and spice from the jalapenos, so this is what we're going to use. We're going to season this side. I guess we could probably do that after pounding the other side. We're going to season this side, pound out the other side. There you have it. Next clip will show you assembling one. Alright, so now we're going to assemble these bacon wrapped chicken thighs with jalapeno in it. I got the first one here. Again, I pounded it out flat, seasoned both sides with Saints and Sinners. We're just going to take a jalapeno and just wrap it in there, sort of. And then we're going to take a slice of bacon, thin sliced. Oh, that's two. Actually, that might be three. There we go. I'm just going to wrap these. That's it. Alright, so I just put these on. We're in that 280 to 300 range where I want to be. Still raining out here. So the controller side is in out of the rain. Got them on there. You can hear the pit boss roaring away. We're going to check them in about 30 minutes or so. Kind of see where we're at. Alrighty guys, we're 30 minutes in, we're right at that 300 degrees. Not much to show here. We're going to leave it on here for another 30 minutes. And then I'm going to take them off that rack and put them directly on the grill so that bacon crisps up really nice. Alrighty guys, so it's an hour in now. See, the biggest thing with cooking with any kind of bacon wrapped anything is you want that bacon crispy, or at least done. Just too often I've had things that the bacon wasn't done yet. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to take this off the pan and start putting these on kind of, we'll call it the rack right above, so we can get some more heat from below. And again, crisping that bacon up is the key. Okay, so the total cook time so far has been about 1 hour and 20 minutes. You can see the bacon is crisping up nice. Again, that's what you want. You don't want soggy, sticky bacon. Yeah, I wouldn't think. So we're going to go ahead and dunk each one of these into the sauce. Roll them around a bit. I'm going to do that with all these. My grill's dirty anyway. Set these to make sure we get it good and covered. We'll set these on the top rack, each one of them, let them glaze for another 5 to 10 minutes. Alrighty guys, these are off the grill of course and letting them rest a while. I think they turned out great, and we've got one over here we're going to sample and see what we think. Let's give one a try here. I know you're not seeing me take a bite, but boy is that good. That turned out amazing. Not much of a presentation here for you, I guess, guys, but that is really good. Cheers, backyarders. Cheers, you too. I'm going to eat the rest of this.